super true. I just can never tire of seeing that flag, ever, especially if it's on a podium. So Jamaicans didn't only dominate on the track at the 2019 Carifta Games. The swim team performed outstandingly, copping a haul of 59 medals. Give yourselves a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, good job, good job. Oh, and we're getting that applause in the studio too. Gillian Millwood and 5 of the team members are here with us. Sabrina Lynn, Nathaniel Thomas, Gianna Francis, Christania Shirley, and Brittney. Is it Brittney or Brittney?
Brittney.
How you spell it?
Brittney.
Okay. All right, miss. I want to say it right. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
Great.
Okay, coach, let me start with you. Question might be a little strange, but track we always hear about with Carifta. Do you feel as if you guys are swimming a little bit under the radar in terms of the kind of love and support and recognition that you get with what you do?
Yeah, I agree with that. And I think we've become accustomed to just swimming under the radar, just enjoying ourselves in the water, because we do have a great history actually at the Carifta Games, at competing in the wider Central American Caribbean region, because we've won Carifta in 1999, 2002, 2003, and this performance here is our best since 2006.
You're second only behind
Bahamas.
Uh-huh.
And Bahamas was actually getting quite nervous on that day 1 and day 2 when we were really powering through this year.
So if they're getting nervous this year, then next year they're under pressure.
We'll give us 2 years. 2 years.
All right, we're going to give you 2 years. Sabrina, how was the experience for you? Tell me.
It was really good, seeing as I broke records and did best times.
Tell us about those medals around your neck. I'm surprised you can't really hold up your neck, but that medal should be holding you down. Tell me what you have around your neck there.
I have 4 gold medals.
What?
Hold them up.
4 gold medals and 6 gold medals and 2 silver medals.
Sabrina not even remember what she win because she has so much around her. That is fantastic. And you feel satisfied with your performance. What was the experience like this year? Coach said you guys really put it all out there and had fun in the water. Is this really fun for you?
For the most part, yes, it is. I mean, sometimes training gets hard, but you have to push through it.
I hear you. Nathaniel, any pressure heading into the games this year?
Well, I was a little nervous because of last year. I didn't do this well, so I just wanted to at least medal. So I think I did well this year.
What makes the difference between a performance you're not proud of and a performance that you just go in and mash it up?
Well, I mainly look at my times. If I do a best time, I think it's a good race, even though I didn't win.
Yeah.
So I mainly look at the time.
Okay, and tell me about your medals. And I see a trophy in your hand as well.
I have 3 gold medals, 5 silver and 1 bronze, and I also got this trophy for high FINA point in a single race.
Wow, that's fantastic. Coach, you have some serious swimmers here?
Listen, I mean, I'm extremely proud because half of our job, 3/4 of our job was done by the athletes, and no one just responding and taking responsibility for what we needed to do in terms of warm-up and recovery. And that tremendous support from the 3 sponsors, SDF, Water, and Island Grill. And Island Grill has been on board with us for, I think, over 7 years.
Yeah. Fantastic. Gianni, how was your experience? First time what's around your neck, lady? Your medals?
My experience was great, and the medals are 3 individual races, which are the 50 backstroke, 50 butterfly, and the 100 meters butterfly. And the relay, we broke the record, and also we came first.
Fantastic. How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
It's a lot of work for a 12-year-old, right?
Yes, it
in
is.
school, what grade are you in?
I'm in second form at Campion College.
Okay. All right. So tell me how you balance now, because swimming is something I would have loved to have done, right? But you see this 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the pool, stadium morning time. I'm good, coach. Hard pass. How do you juggle the training with school?
To be honest, I don't think it is impossible. It isn't that hard for me either.
It's not hard.
It's not
You're
as hard as you would think.
Yeah. Is it that you're conditioned now to?
Yes, I am, because last year, this time, I would be tired from doing like 4 mornings or 3 mornings a week, and now I'm doing every morning, sometimes every afternoon,
Yeah.
and it just feels natural for me now.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, Christiania. What is your hope? You want to end up, is this a full-time thing for you? What are you looking
Yes, I expect to reach this CCCAN Games, Olympic Games.
at? So you're working to get there.
Yes.
Are you training every morning as well?
Yes,
What
I
time
am.
does training start?
5 o'clock,
5 to what time?
6:45.
6:45.
And then you go to school?
Yes.
And then you go back to training in the afternoon?
No.
Oh, praise Jesus. At
Well,
least
I
you
give
get
you
to-
one up. She just did PEP, so she left the
Oh
country
my
right after
God,
PEP.
did you just do PEP?
Yeah, along with Nelson Denny. Yeah. That's impressive.
How was that?
It wasn't as hard as everyone was expecting.
Yeah. And I think these kids are special.
Listen, absolutely.
I mean, all our children are special, but to be able to go through the rigors of preparation and swim preparation for our championship as big as this and say it wasn't that hard, it means that you've engendered that spirit of discipline in them that has them balancing everything and nothing is falling.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I appreciate all the work of the home coaches, but in Mobay and all of the Kingston area, because it was a collaborative effort from everybody.
All right, Miss Britt, let's hear from you. Tell me what's around your neck. Did we ask Christiania? Christiania, what are your medals? Sorry.
I got 1 gold medal, 2 silver and a bronze.
Excellent.
I got the gold in the relay where they broke the record.
Yes, we like
got the-
record-breaking performances.
Bronze in a relay. The silver in my 50-meter freestyle swim. And a silver in another relay.
Excellent. Well done. Britt, what's around your neck first?
I have 4 golds from relays and 1 bronze from 200-meter freestyle.
Fantastic. How many times have you been to Carifta?
This was my 5th Carifta.
Wow. And was it the best for you?
Yes,
in
it
terms
was.
of individual performance, obviously overall it was the best, but
Individual performance, I think last year was my best year. But this year I was definitely proud of it. I was proud to be captain this year of these amazing swimmers.
What does that mean for those of us who are watching? It means that when these spirits are low on the team, you have to pep them up. But what is it? What kind of responsibility is that?
So as a captain, you're responsible for all the cheering, all the vibes going into each session, the stretching, getting everybody ready and stuff like that.
I'm plus you have to swim? No, man. I will work that.
It didn't really seem like a job, more like something I enjoyed doing because I enjoy boosting up persons and motivating them.
You guys are vested, and that's fantastic. So the recovery period, what's that been like for all of you?
Well,
Do you just get a chance to come home and do nothing for like a week or
a
2
lot of
weeks?
sleep.
A whole heap of sleep?
Yes.
Excellent. Are you
Well-
back at training?
Well, I'm not back at training yet. I start back this afternoon. But I know these guys went to training this morning and coach.
We have a meet this weekend.
Yeah, we have a meet
Coach,
this weekend.
Yeah, we have
You couldn't give my one this weekend, them coming here to sit
them
down?
good, man. They got Thursday all day. They got
Yeah,
Friday,
I can-
Saturday, Sunday. They're
get
good.
it
And it
from
wasn't
Monday.
hard.
So
It
they
was just
trained this
getting
morning
in the
before they
water.
came here?
Yeah. And then they don't have school today. They're going to sleep.
Yeah, Christian school.
Oh, my bad. You'll be great. You'll be great. You'll be great.
So coach, you say another 2 years. I mean,
Yes,
based on the
to get
talent
up.
that you have, obviously they're fantastic.
Right. And based on what we need in terms of the outlier events that we need to fill in, and not only just fill in just to have people swim,
What you call the
but to be
outlier
competitive.
events?
So,
So the ones that we don't usually figure so strongly
Right.
in.
So our prowess this year was in the 50 meters, all the 50-meter events, and all the 100-meter events. We had a beautiful, beautiful racing from Brittney and Nathaniel in the 200-meter events as well. But we need 400-meter races, the 800-meter and the 1500-meter races. So that's where we need to pull up.
Okay, guys, can coach swim?
Actually, she used to
She was a swimmer.
I never asked her. She can swim good? She's too fly in the fly. All right, I believe them. I joke. Tell us about your story.
My
Swimming
first opportunity at representing the country was at this level here. I got my first 2 medals in 2002 in Barbados. Jamaica won that curve though. Good. With the 100-meter
No
butterfly
showing
and the
off.
200-meter butterfly.
Yeah.
So when I challenge these guys, it's from a place of love. And
Yes.
I know what it takes,
And
and I know that
understand-
it's hard.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I just want them to realize that and just explode from that point.
And based on what Coach is saying, that's why we're ready to know, because we know say it's hard.
Absolutely.
It's not an easy job. You make it look easy. That's half the problem is when you get in the pool and we look at the speed and we look at the technique, we say, oh, but
Gorgeous,
this is really years and years of hard work.
Exactly.
And so thank you guys for representing us so well and making us so proud. And thank you, Coach, for bringing out that winning spirit in our team. From the Jamaica national swim team, we've got Coach Gillian Millwood and members Sabrina Lynn, Nathaniel Thomas, Gianni Francis, Christania, Shirley, and Brittney Williams. Take a break on Smile. We'll be right back with more in a minute. Soon come.